Hi everyone, and welcome back to things that I've crocheted. Now this one is the ever so popular Hexie Cardi. I had a little bit of a designing burnout, is all I can call it, in 2021, and I took a 3 month break from designing patterns. I just needed it. I needed that time away. I started freestyling a load of Hexie Cardis, and this was one of them. I used all scrap yarn for my DK box, and I was trying to pick colours that have been in there for ages. I never really touched or put them together, so it was meant to be like maybe an ugly kind of cardi, but it ended up like looking pretty cool, and I really love how it came out. So yeah, and then everyone kept asking how I did it, and that's how the tutorial was born. So I have this on YouTube as a full-length tutorial and also as a written pattern on my website.